Hello guys, quick update here on the electrical, or more specifically in the lighting in the living room. So as you can see, I got a lot of recessed light hanging down by cables or by the wire, and I just connected because I need to test it. So if one of them are faulty, I can return it and have a refund or exchange it for a working light. So I've just done all my connection, and I'm just done connecting the light themselves. So it's now time to try them. So if it's worked like I set it up, this section of the beam is on a switch because it's the area where I will be most of the time. So if I need lights, it will be in this section, while the three in this row here and the fourth on the other side are on this switch here. And I will install dimmer later, but for now they're just switches because I haven't bought any electrical hardware yet, so it's all used and old stuff. So let's try this section first. It will be pretty clear here. This one is working, so the three here are working. This one's working as well, and these two are working, and of course it's very bright. I will have dimmer as I mentioned earlier. So now the 6 on this side are on this switch here, and they're working well as well. They are not on the same circuit, so even if the 13 lights are turned on in the same time, it's not like it's dangerous to trip a breaker or anything like that, because these are on the bathroom circuit, which there is only the fan and 2 lights in there. So there's nothing that suck power enough to trip the breaker. While these are on this circuit here with this plug here, where my TV and all that stuff will be connected, and it's on a single breaker for this wall plug plus the lighting in here. So there's nothing that will suck enough power to trip the breaker as well. So now I'm happy to see that everything's working, even if they don't suck much, they don't create much heat. Since I haven't removed the protective film from it, I will turn that off so the plastic doesn't melt here as well. But I believe these were another company. It's a little more cheap, on the cheap side. Connector, even the box, the aluminum of the box was like kind of soft, so it was easy to bend when I insert my wiring or the connector for my wiring in there. So I'll turn that off as well, but it will be damn clear in here when all of this will be turned on in the same time at night. Before there was no lighting whatsoever on this side, so it was always pretty dark, and it was even worse because it was not drywall, it was wood plank, not stained, but with a dark varnish or old varnish, yellowed from 35 years ago. So it was very dark in this section of the house. So now it will be as clear as it can be. So this was just a quick update on my electrical. Stay tuned for the next part or the following video on my renovating or fixing my dad's house project. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.